So this is basically the software I'm going to show you is a default software of your computer. So you will find this in Windows 10 or 11, but sometimes it might not appear. In that case, you have to go to Microsoft Store and download it. The software is called Sticky Notes. You have to search for it and you will get Microsoft Sticky Notes. So you have to open it from here. So in case it is not running, then you can download it from here and open it. So once you have opened it, it will show you your sticky notes. So you can create notes from here and use them in any Windows computer or the Microsoft OneNote on your mobile. So if you create a Microsoft OneNote, a note under Microsoft OneNote in the sticky notes section, then it will show you in your desktop or your sticky note software on Windows 11 computer as well. Or if you create one here, it will show you on your smartphone as well. And you can remove them from here as well. Close the note, not remove it, close it. And if you open your sticky notes later and click on here and click on note list, it will show you all the notes you have under sticky notes. So for it to sync automatically, you'll have to connect your Microsoft account. For that, you have to click on this three-dot icon and click on notes list, and here you will find the settings option. You have to click on that. In here you have to sign in to sync your notes to cloud, and you have to select your Microsoft account and click continue and put in your password and finish it. So for smartphone, you have to do a similar thing as well. You have to download the OneNote app in the smartphone and sign in with your Microsoft account to see the notes. Even if you lose your device, or if you format your device, you can sign in to Microsoft Sticky Notes or Microsoft OneNote to access these notes. Or if you have on another computer, you can sign in with your Microsoft account in that computer to access these notes as well. That's how you can use syncable notes in your Windows 11 computer. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.